This lesson is based on simplifying variable expressions. So let's get started. Identifying parts of an expression. This is the expression 7x plus 3x plus 5. The parts of an expression that are added together are called terms. Here 7x, 3x and 5 are terms. The number part of the term with a variable is called the coefficient. For example, 7 is the coefficient of the term 7x. 3 is the coefficient of the term 3x. A constant term has a number but no variable. For example, 5 is a constant in the above expression. Like terms are terms that have identical variable parts. Here 7x and 3x are like terms since they have the identical variable x. Now we'll do some examples. Example 1. For the given expression, identify the terms, like terms, coefficients and constant terms. Then simplify the expression. And this is the expression. Now we're going to solve this example. We can write this expression like this. We put plus here and put minus 3y inside parentheses. We also put minus 2 inside parentheses. Here the terms are 2y, 6, negative 3y and negative 2. Here the like terms are 2y and negative 3y since they have the same variable y. And 6 and minus 2 are also like terms. Here the coefficients are 2 and negative 3. And constant terms are 6 and negative 2. Now we are going to simplify this expression. To simplify expression, at first we are going to group the like terms 2y and negative 3y. We will group this term together. Then we will group these two terms together. Now we are going to use distributive property for these two terms. So we take y outside parentheses. 2 plus negative 3. 2y and negative 3y plus 6 minus 2 equals 2y is 2, 2 minus 3 plus 6 minus 2 equals 4 and 2 minus 3 equals minus 1 plus 4. If we multiply y and negative 1 we get negative y plus simplified. Example 2 is based on simplifying expression with parentheses. Simplify the following expressions. Now we'll solve this example. This is part A of example 2. For this example, at first we're going to apply distributive property here. So 3 times x equals 3x, 3 times negative 2 equals minus 6 plus 7x plus 3. Now we'll group the like terms together. 3x plus 7x, negative 6 plus 3. 3x plus 7x equals 10x. And negative 6 plus 3 equals negative 3. Simplified. This is part B of example 2. At first we are going to use identity property here. Negative 4y minus 1 times negative 2 equals plus 2. 4y minus 4y equals 0 plus 2 equals 2. Simplified. Example 3. Write and simplify an expression for the perimeter of the triangle. Now we'll solve this example. Perimeter P equals x plus x plus 6 plus 3x plus 1. Now we can write this x plus 6 plus 3x plus 1. Now we'll group the like terms together. So it becomes x plus 3x plus 6 plus 1. So x plus 3x equals 5x. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Answer 5x plus 7. This is example 4. Write and simplify an expression for the perimeter of the rectangle. Now we'll solve this example. Perimeter P equals twice length plus twice width. Here the length equals 6x minus 3 and the width is 2x. Now we'll use distributive property here. 2 times 6x equals 12x. 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. Plus 2 times 2x equals 4x. Now we'll group the like terms together. 12x plus 4x negative 6 equals 12x plus 4x equals 16x negative 6. So our answer is 16x minus 6. This is the end of this lesson. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Thanks for watching.